Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's a bit more serious, but also super important: panic attacks. If you've ever experienced one, you know how scary they can be. But don't worry, I've got some tips and tricks to help you stop them in their tracks. Body. First things first, it's important to recognize the signs of a panic attack. They can include things like rapid heartbeat, sweating, shaking, and difficulty breathing. Once you know what to look out for, you can start to take action. Tip number 1. Breathe. When you're in the midst of a panic attack, it can feel like you can't catch your breath. But taking slow, deep breaths can actually help to calm your body down. Try counting to 4 as you inhale, holding for 4, and then exhaling for 4. Repeat this a few times until you feel a bit more relaxed. Tip number 2. Distract yourself. Sometimes, the best way to stop a panic attack is to take your mind off of it. Try listening to some music, watching a funny video, or calling a friend. Anything that can help take your mind off of what's happening in your body can be helpful. Tip number 3. Ground yourself. This one might sound a bit strange, but it can be super effective. Look around you and name 3 things you can see, 2 things you can touch, and 1 thing you can smell. This can help to bring you back to the present moment and away from the panic attack. Tip number 4. Practice mindfulness. This is a technique that involves focusing on the present moment and being aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. You can try a guided mindfulness meditation, or simply take a few moments to focus on your breathing and the sensations in your body. Tip number 5. Exercise. Physical activity can help to reduce stress and anxiety, which can in turn help to prevent panic attacks. Even just going for a walk or doing some gentle stretching can be helpful. Tip number 6. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Both of these substances can trigger or worsen panic attacks, so it's best to avoid them if you can. Tip number 7. Seek support. It can be helpful to talk to someone you trust about your panic attacks, whether that's a friend, family member, or therapist. Sometimes just having someone to listen can make a big difference. Everyone's experience with panic attacks is different, so it's important to find what works best for you. Of course, if your panic attacks are severe or frequent, it's important to seek professional help. But in the meantime, I hope these tips can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.